Sony's latest flagship over-ear headset, the WH-1000XM6, builds on its renowned noise-canceling pedigree with a host of refinements in comfort, audio tuning and smart features. At first glance, the design may look familiar to previous Sony models, but beneath the surface, the XM6 packs significant upgrades, most notably a new HDQN3 noise-canceling processor, an expanded mic array and smarter adaptive sound controls. Here's a hands-on overview of what makes the WH-1000XM6 the new standard for wireless listening. The WH-1000XM6 retains the iconic swivel and fold form factor, but Sony has re-engineered the metal hinges to be slimmer and more robust. When folded, the headphones collapse into an even more compact package, held securely in a magnetic, eco-friendly case, made from 100% paper materials including bamboo fiber and recycled sugarcane pulp. The headband uses synthetic leather that's wider and flatter than before, helping distribute weight evenly across the skull. Ear cushions remain luxuriously soft, with thicker foam, and a textured inner fabric that minimizes heat buildup during long listening sessions. Central to the XM6's appeal is its new HDQN3 noise-canceling processor. Boasting 7 times the processing power of the previous generation, it works in tandem with a total of 12 microphones, 1.5 times more than the XM5, to analyze ambient sound in real time and adjust cancellation accordingly. Whether you're battling the drone of an airplane cabin or the chatter of a busy cafe, the WH-1000XM6 adapts instantly. Sony's adaptive NC optimizer further fine-tunes performance by measuring individual ear shape and pressure level changes, automatically optimizing noise reduction throughout your listening session. For those moments when you need situational awareness, Auto Ambient Sound Mode intelligently filters out only the unwanted background noise, while letting in crucial audio cues, arrivals, announcements, traffic alerts or a colleague's question. All of these settings can be toggled manually or left on auto via the Sony Headphones Connect app, which offers a simplified interface for customizing the balance between noise, cancellation and ambient sound. Sony didn't just stop at blocking noise. They enlisted audio engineers from Sterling Sound, Battery Studios and Coast Mastering to calibrate the XM6's sound profile. Listeners can choose between classic for a lush, balanced output or a more neutral tuning that emphasizes mid-range clarity. Support for LDAC and Sony's proprietary lossless audio codec lets you stream high-res tracks wirelessly at up to 990 kilobits per second, preserving more detail than standard Bluetooth codecs. A 10-band EQ in the app unlocks further personalization, or you can select game-focused presets like Game EQ for enhanced positional audio, or 360 reality audio upmix for cinematic immersion. When it comes to calls, the WH-1000XM6 uses a 6-beamforming microphone array to isolate your voice from background noise, whether you're dialing into a remote meeting or taking a call on the go. Voice pickup is remarkably clean. Wind noise suppression also sees an improvement, so your speech remains intelligible, even in blustery conditions. Beyond noise cancellation, the XM6 incorporates scene-based listening. Built-in motion and proximity sensors detect whether you're walking, running, stationary or even sitting on a plane. The headphones then automatically switch between noise, cancelling and ambient sound modes, as well as adjust volume levels to suit your environment. Integration with Spotify Tap, Apple Music, YouTube Music and Amazon Music enables instant resume of your last playlist stop, while La Audio with AuraCast offers ultra-low latency streaming and multi-user audio sharing. With Bluetooth multipoint and auto switch, the XM6 can pair with 2 devices at once, so you can watch a video on your laptop, then effortlessly answer a call from your phone without manual disconnection. Switching is near instant, making the XM6 a versatile companion for work-from-home setups, travel and daily commutes. Sony quotes up to 30 hours of playback with noise cancellation. Active, matching or exceeding most competitors. In our real-world testing, mixing music, streaming, podcast listening and sporadic phone calls, the XM6 lasted just over 28 hours before needing a recharge. A quick 5-minute USB-C fast charge delivers roughly 3 hours of use, while a full charge takes about 2 hours. The WH1000XM6 ships in 3 finishes: Classic Black, Platinum Silver and a Deep Midnight Blue, at a retail price of $449.99. They sit at the higher end of the premium headphone market, but justify the cost with class. Leading noise cancellation, refined comfort and versatile smart features. Sony's WH1000XM6 refines an already excellent formula, combining enhanced active noise cancellation, more comfortable fit and deeper audio customization in a thoughtful, eco-minded package. Whether you're a frequent flyer, remote worker, or simply someone who values musical fidelity and peace of mind, the XM6 stands out as the best over-ear wireless headphones you can buy in 2025. With up to 30 hours of battery life, seamless multi-device switching and adaptive listening intelligence, they offer an all-round upgrade that few rivals can match.